Wait a minute! Who are you? You know what? I think we're gonna be friends.
Hey guys, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you already know what I'm finna say. Like, subscribe. Cause like, why not? Why are you watching this video and you not subscribed? Like, what are you doing? You see my subscribers. Like, come on now. You see this video, like, you're watching it, you might as well subscribe. You might as well like, you might as well comment, you might as well turn them post notifications on. Cause I'm dropping video on video on video on video. And y'all see that, like, I'm dropping videos on videos on videos. So y'all might as well subscribe to me and stay tuned. Yeah, today I am going to be starting a new series on my channel where I make trendy clothes that everybody should have for their school year but don't want to buy or can't buy. So I'm going to be either getting clothes from the thrift store and flipping them, or using clothes I already got that I don't wear anymore and flipping them and turning them into some trendy stuff to wear back to school, you know? And when I mean where you can't buy it, it's like either it costs too much or it's on one of them sketchy websites where you don't know if it's gonna come or not, or it's gonna be good quality, or none of that. So I'm gonna be making the clothes myself, flipping the clothes myself, and y'all just gonna come along. So today I made two corsets, two underboob corsets. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna show it on the screen. I'm gonna tell you the price of both of the things at the end compared to what I found online. So yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay, so before we get into this video, I'm going to show y'all the pattern that I made out of cardboard to make it easier for me to make this whole corset. Like I told y'all, I'm going to plan it out this time, measure and everything, so it can be easier for me and y'all to know what I'm doing. So this is the back, this is the front side, this is the farthest front side. I cut these two in pieces because this is where you have to add the zip tie, and this is the two fabrics that have to go together. That's why they're in pieces. So this has to go to this has to go to this, these have to go together. And then this is the whole stencil, this is the whole layout, and I'm going to put the measurements on the screen. Okay, so to make this video easier and quicker, I cut out the pieces beforehand. So once you have your pieces cut, all you have to do is sew them. The stencil made it very, very easy to make this. Like, I will never not have a stencil ever again because it made it very easy to make something out of scratch from material. After everything is sewed together, your piece should look like this. A vest without anything, basically, just a vest. And it's already starting to look good. Like, if your thing look like this already, then you're on the right path. So I knew I was on the right path, knowing I never did this before, and I did not look this up because there was no videos on how to make a corset, like an underboob corset. So this is going to be the first one. Okay, so when you have your whole piece together, you want to get two bras. So me, I don't wear bras. So I had to go to the thrift store and buy some bras, but like, I feel like if you don't feel comfortable buying bras from the thrift store, you can buy bras from Walmart. But all I was doing was going to use the underwire. So it really did not matter where I got them from. And I might as well get it for cheap because I'm not finna wear them. I'm just finna mess it up anyway. So all you want to do is take out the underwire and glue the underwire. I just align each wire to the ends of the fabric. this next step is very, 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 very tricky to explain. So basically, you cut out a identical piece for the front, two front sides. You want to align the identical piece of fabric inside to inside. So the inside of the fabric, the additional fabric is facing up, and the inside of the fabric of the vest is facing down. So like this. As you can see, after I sew everything, there is a pocket where you can see the wire, the inside, and where you're going to put the zip ties at. So after you do all that, you just get some zip ties. Like I just got some regular zip ties from my garage. I'm pretty sure everybody has some zip ties. Let's see, you'll put it in a flat part and pin it down and sew. So as close to the zip tie as possible. So after that, you want to sew around the bra area. So for this one, I wanted it to be ripped. So all you have to do is cut it and make the rips. That's why this is the easiest one, because you don't have to make sure everything is so seamless. You don't have to make sure you have a hem. You don't have to do any of that. Like look at the back. It's raw edges. That's the look. Your corset is gonna look like this without the zippers. So basically you're done. You just have to add the zipper. So in this video, I was adding a different color zipper, but that zipper ended up not working out because I forgot to add the ends where like a zipper, like a jacket, so you can zip it up. So it's the same concept, but a different zipper. The stencil really made all this possible, honestly, because without the stencil, this would probably not be a video, because this would have been very hard to do. Like I'm just starting to make stuff out of scratch, so I would have been extra lost. But the stencil makes you, I don't know, more confident in what you're doing, because if you follow the stencil and you have your right measurements, then everything should go good. So after you sew the zipper, everything is done. Like everything is done. And right here, like, I'm gonna show y'all everything, because my stuff don't be looking as professional, but it be looking good on the outside. But on the inside, it don't be looking as professional, but it be good to me. So this is the inside. Like once you get done with this, adding the zipper on, you're done, basically. But right here, I'm not gonna lie, right here, I had to fold down this part so it can go under my armpit and be a straight line. So that's all I did. Just add a seam right here, and that's it. So after that, you're done. And I put this right here because it was a little too big, so I just put like an elastic band, made it tighter. So this is the inside. I know people don't be showing y'all the inside because it probably don't be looking that good, but I don't care. Like, look good on the outside. This is it zipped up, and here is it on. This is the look. Like, it's cute, it's trendy, it's back to school, it's everything. It's everything. Like, it's giving me everything. So if you like this one, comment down below. So for this corset, I use my dad's old army fatigue shorts. So I didn't have a lot of fabric to work with. That's why I didn't add straps. This whole corset cost $2.49, because all I had to do was get the zipper. The zip toss was free. The shorts was free. The fabric was free. The zipper was $2.49 at Walmart. So literally, this cost $2.49. Like, and plus labor, obviously, but that's free because you're making it. Would you want an underboob corset for $2.49? I think I would. This is $2.49 compared to this for which one would you pick? This or which price would you pick? Do y'all like this look? Like, do y'all think y'all could make this yourself? I think y'all could if y'all have a stencil. But okay, so on to the net. Y'all already seen the pieces cut out, so all I'm going to do is pin the pieces together and sew them together. And it should look like a vest. With this corset, I used the bigger wires. As you can see, like, them wires are huge. I used the bigger wires only because in the picture, I didn't use a video, I used a picture. So in the picture, like, you could tell like the wire went higher up than the regular corset I just made. So basically I just got a bigger wire, so the wire can come up right here and also be right here in the middle. Come up right here and be right here in the middle. So for this one, I really made sure that the additional fabric was facing the right way, so the inside of the fabric could be the exact same as outside. And you just sew it together, leaving a pocket. And after that, you add the zip tie. I didn't show y'all me sewing the zip tie, but y'all already seen me sewing the zip tie, so y'all don't need to see it again. So after that, I sewed the underboob thing, under the boob and over the boob. You also want to make a seam at the bottom just so it can look neat and professional. After I sewed the underboob area, I tried to cut as neat and clean as possible and leave enough fabric where I can bend it over. Either you can sew it or you can glue it, but I glued it because I didn't feel like sewing again. Fabric glue is very messy and it stains. Like, you know, like if it gets stuck on your clothes, you're going to be able to see it. So you want to make sure all the glue stays on the inside of the corset and not the outside. And on the inside, nobody else is going to see it but you, so it don't matter. But on the outside, everybody is going to see it. And I'm not going to lie, the inside looks messy, very messy, but outside does not. So still look good to me. Okay, so for this part of the tutorial, it may seem all over the place because I was really rushing trying to finish this before I went to school, before I moved back in. So after I bought this fabric glue, I wanted to use it for everything, because sewing, sometimes you don't need to sew everything. So basically all I got was 2 pieces of fabric, folded it in half inside first, and glued the edge of it. And I sat the 2 pieces under something heavy for like 2 hours just to make sure everything was good. Okay, so after the strap is glued together, you want to take a safety pin, pin it on the outside of the strap, and push it in, push it in, push it in. After you get done pushing it through, it should look like this. Like, after you have the straps, all you want to do is take the dog harnesses. But before you sew that part on there, I forgot, you need to make a seam so it can be neat, clean, and yeah. All you need is the part where it clamps in and clamps out. You don't need all that extra stuff. You want to cut the dog harnesses pieces in half and attach the piece that look like this on the bottom. Honestly, I don't even think it matters if you attach it on the top or the bottom. But the picture, it was on the bottom, so I just did it on the bottom. And leave out a little tail so you can know what's it called, tighten it and untighten it. And then you want to, and you just sew both of those on there. That was probably the easiest part. So after everything is sewed, it should look like this. And you just want to move on to the strap that's actually going to go over your arm. And you want to attach this piece to the straps that you just made. This is what it should look like. And after that, all I did was attach the whole strap to the corset. After you attach all the straps, you're done. Like, you cannot tell me this does not look professional. Like, I give props to myself because I just be learning this. Like, I just be looking at pictures and I just do it. Or I just have an idea in my head and I just do it, like, without anybody teaching me, basically. Like, I just teach myself how to do it and I do it. And I didn't show y'all that I added the zipper, but I did add the zipper. And I also had the same problem. So I just added the zipper, the jacket zipper, on the corset. So this is what it looked like on the outside. And I'm not gonna lie, I already told y'all, like, this inside does not look good, but it's okay. This is the inside. This is the part that don't look good. Like, you can see all the glue. That's all I was saying. Like, if you glue it, you're gonna need to glue it and make sure all the mess stays on the inside, because it's what it look like. And this is how it looks on. Like, this is a look. This is everything. This is, like, you need this in your closet. You need to make this in your closet. And even if you don't want to make it, like, I'm not gonna lie, like, everybody don't know how to make stuff. So if you don't want to make it, you can really just use this video and either try to make it, tell somebody else to make it, or just look it up and buy it. And you can just watch this video for fun, for entertainment, you know? Okay, so to make this black corset, I used these pants, which I could show y'all how they look before I cut them up, but I was rushing to make these corsets, so I'm sorry. And these pants are huge, like huge. The tag say 2X, but my whole body can fit in one leg, so I know it's not 2X. It's probably 6X, and there's nothing wrong with that. Like, I just needed the fabric. Like, there's nothing wrong with that size. But for this corset, this came out to be $10.48. So let's just round that up to $11. The pants was $5.99. The dog harness was $1 each. The zipper was $2.49 from Walmart, and the zip ties was free. But yeah, all that equal to, let's just say $11. $11. Like, on Dolls Kill, I think it's Dolls Kill, and all the other websites, it was like $30, $38, $35, $40. Like, I'm not finna pay that. And I just made this for $11. Like, which one would you pick? $11? $30, $40, $50. This is the end of the video. I hope you really like the pieces, because I did. I hope you like how they turned out, and I hope you try them at home, or I hope you go buy them or add this to your wardrobe, because as you can see, these are some cute pieces. Like, this is something you need in your closet. But yeah, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, because why not? And stay tuned for my next video. Stay tuned for this next series, this next episode with this series. And stay tuned for my next video. And if you like this series, let me know down below, because I don't know if y'all would like this or if y'all would not like this. Like, if y'all want to see this, more of this, or not. And I'm not just going to be making clothes. Like, I'm going to be making accessories, and I'm going to be making, I think I'm going to be making boy clothes too, because boys need clothes to wear too. Like, yeah, so stay tuned for my next one. Bye.